Well, you know, here at the State Fair, you can find plenty of deep-fried goodness.
Yes, and Nate from the Texas Steakout has made something like that. Nate, good to see you. What are these?
These are the deep-fried Nachos Supreme. It's all new this year at the State Fair.
What a name. We heard about it. How do you make a deep-fried nacho?
We make a masa with Doritos, tortilla chips, jalapeno juice, and make a little pancake, fill it with pepper jack cheese, deep fry it, and top it with taco meat, guacamole, sour cream, and more nacho cheese.
You had a lot of time this winter. You've been dreaming stuff up, right?
You bet.
That is wonderful. And your place is the Texas Steakout?
Texas Steakout.
What else do you have over there, Nate?
We have all kinds of Texas barbecue. We slow smoke brisket overnight, giant turkey legs, steak kebabs, pulled pork sandwiches. We have all kinds of barbecue.
So then what made you go to this, think of this?
We wanted to bring something sort of Tex-Mex, but
Okay.
exciting to the Minnesota State Fair.
It's really good.
It is. There's a really good flavor, and it's so unique. How's biz been?
Business has been crazy good.
Oh, good for you.
People are really looking for this item, and they're pouring up there.
How much do these cost? Do they get one ball or?
They get 3 balls.
3 balls.
Full order is 3 balls, completely covered with all the stuff. It's $9.
And
Where are you at?
We're on Machinery Hill, the west side of Underwood, between Lee and Randall, right next to Sweet Martha's new building.
Good.
Oh, wow.
All right.
Okay.
Good to see you, Nate. Have a great
Delicious.
fair.
Thank you.
Glad it's going well. That's good stuff.